If you already own a domain but want to connect it to your website at Hostinger, you can easily do that in just a few simple steps. So let me show you how. First thing you'll need to do is go to your domain provider's domain management area. And as you can see for this example, I'm connecting a domain from GoDaddy. But these steps that I'll show you will be very similar for most providers. So once you're in the management area, navigate to the name server records. And in GoDaddy, these records can be found by going to the left sidebar, then clicking DNS, and then Nameservers. Now you'll need to change the domain name servers. And to find your custom name server values, navigate to Hostinger's H panel in the left sidebar, then click on Websites, and then select Dashboard next to your website. And once again in the left sidebar, find the hosting plan option. Under it, just select Plan Details, and here you'll see your name servers. These name servers are uniquely assigned to enhance your domain security and protection, so always make sure to use the exact ones displayed in your H panel. Okay, now let's go back to GoDaddy's domain management area. Here, click on Change Name Servers, then pick the Use My Own Name Servers option and paste the name servers you found on H panel right over here. Then just click Save. Now, usually it takes a couple of hours for changes to take effect, but allow up to 24 hours for propagation. So just be aware that during this time, your website may be temporarily unavailable. And if you want to check the progress of the connection, just go to the whatsmydns.net website. Here you can paste your domain in the search bar and select NS right here, which stands for name server. Then click search and you'll be able to see the connection progress. And as you can see, I'm still seeing my old name servers here since I just changed them, but within the next couple of hours, I should be able to see my new name servers. And within about 24 hours, your domain will be connected and your site will be available online.